Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be comparing Shopify with Big Cartel. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you the pricings of both of these sites so that you can see which one is cheaper and which one is, more expensive. Then I'm going to show you the features, and then I will show you how you can use these platforms so that you can see which one is easier. Sign up process is pretty simple, and the usability of both of these is pretty simple. And then at the end, I'm gonna go on to show you some pros and cons about these two websites. So let's get started. So first we're gonna start off with Shopify, and over here let's go ahead and click on the pricing and see the pricings for Shopify. So immediately over here, as you can see, we have three plans. We have the basic, the Shopify, and the advanced. So in the basic one, it's going to cost you $29 per month. And over here, this is pretty much the only plan you're going to get. You can't have a free plan. There is no free plan. So you're going to have to use this. So if you want to see some features over here, you will see it. The basic one will get you the online store, unlimited products, 2 staff accounts, and support channel sales, sales channels, and the inventory locations can up to be 4, manual order creation, discount codes, free SSL certificate, abandoned card recovery, gift cards, and the reports are going to be basic. And you also get customer segmentation, marketing automation, unlimited contacts, and then you have the e-commerce automations. And over here, the Shopify shipping is going to be up to 77%. That is going to be the discount for shipping, and it does provide shipping labels as well. You get Shopify payments, and over here you get these percentage of fees over here. As you can see, points of sales, Shopify POS Lite is available, and Shopify POS Pro is, if you want to upgrade it, it's going to be $89 per month on all of these plans. Then you have international marketing. You basically get all the things over here on the basic one. And for the Shopify Plus, the only key difference is I see is the transaction fees. All right, and the shipping discounts and the reports. And over here, inventory locations is going to be 5. These are the only things that are different. Same goes with the advanced version. You get staff accounts, which are going to be 15 staff accounts. Inventory locations are going to be 8 inventory locations. You're going to get advanced reports, and you also get e-commerce automation. You get up to 88% of discounts, and you get all the shipping labels and stuff like that. And the transactions are going to be a little cheaper as well. And you also get duties and import tax, custom pricing as well. So as you can see, these are the pricing plans for Shopify. There is no free plan. The key difference with Big Cartel is if you come over here, you will see they have the free plan, which is the only e-commerce platform that provides you with a free plan that can allow you to sell online for absolutely free. And they have the second package, which is the 50 products package. We're going to call them the standard. All right, this is going to be the basic, the standard, and the pro. So the basic is free. The standard is going to be $9.99 per month, no listing fees, and the pro version is going to be $19.99, which is going to include everything. So over here you'll get all these different features. So in the free plan, you only get 1 image per product, free customizable themes, online store in person, real-time stats, use a custom domain, offer discounts and run promos, shipment trackings, and product option groups, and sale tax autopilots as well. Whereas over here, the standard one, you get 5 images, product, 5 customizable themes, use a custom domain, you get Google Analytics, theme code editing, inventory tracking, bulk editing, shipment tracking, product options groups, and sales and autopilots. I mean, you can go ahead and pause the screen right now and see all of them and see all of the features of these 3 plans. I mean, you don't need me to, point them out every time. So just go ahead and pause this video and see for yourself. So now that you know that which one is cheaper and which one is which, how much do they cost, let's go ahead and sign up and show you how they look like on the inside. So when you sign into your Shopify account, this is how it's going to look like. And this is how Big Cartel looks like. So over here, adding the product over here, as you can see, this is the checklist. You have to complete this checklist to, fully finish your Shopify account, adding product, customizing theme, adding pages, organized navigation, and adding domain. Same thing over here with Big Cartel. They also give you a checklist to do. So first things first, one of the key differences between Shopify and Big Cartel are their app integrations. So if you just simply come over here onto the App Store, you will see that, Shopify has more applications over here. So over here, if you come into the App Store, you will see they have much more, you know, applications to integrate with as compared to Big Cartel. So over here, you won't find a lot of, um, applications, but it's still a good pick. So over here, the dropshipping application that I really like, let's see if it's available over here. If I just simply click over there, as you can see. So over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different options. The one that I was looking for was not available, but it's okay. We can use Umbrello because it's one of the best ones out there. And let me just finish up over here, because over here, the checklist is to add a product, explore shipping profiles, connect the payment processor, design your shop, and launch your shop. Pretty simple. So, in terms of usability, I would say Shopify has the upper hand, and because of all the features and the stores that it can connect to. And, there are some, of course, some paid applications. So, you have to count those, their monthly subscription plan on top of your Shopify plan so that you can, get the better option. There are over here, as you can see, 295 applications that are free and 102 that are paid. Then they have the POS and Shopify checkout, so the total is more than, let's say, 300. And I don't think Big Cartel has that many, but Big Cartel has an upper hand because it's free to use. You can use it for free. So let's go ahead and use it. So let me just add, Obrello over here, and then just simply, oh, okay, I'm sorry, they have that. I didn't see that. So we'll just use this sub drop shipping because it's pretty amazing. So we're gonna install this application into our Shopify account and use it to import products from online from other stores. So I'm just simply gonna click on install app, and here we go. We are good to go. So now we just log in with our account. We can either use Facebook or Apple, or we can sign up with our account, or we can sign up with our email account over here. All right, so when we shop, all right, so when we sign in, this is how it looks like. So now let's go ahead and, start importing products. So over here, since we have the application, let me just go back into the apps. And sorry about that. This is the dashboard. I forgot I had connected it with another account, but this is the dashboard for your sub account. And over here, to add products, just simply click on find products, and over here you will find imported products. So these are some of the products that I've imported. Let's go ahead and find some products on AliExpress. So if we come over to aliexpress.com, all we would need to do is just copy the link of that product and just paste it into the search bar. I will show you in a second. So let's just say we want women's fashion, and over here you will see we have a bunch of different options. So as you can see, we have this pocket one, but we don't need that. So let's just say that this dress, let's go with this dress. Let's open it up in another tab. Then all we would need to do is just copy the link. All right, go back to our store, paste the link over here, and just simply click on import product. It's going to take a couple of seconds, but the product will be imported. So as you can see, it's so easy. It's one of the best ones. Although sub isn't, available in Big Cartel, but you can only add manual products over there. So now let's just simply click on list store, and over here we'll just select our store. This is the store that we have. That was the Equid store. This is the Shopify store. And as you can see, the price is 36. All right. This is the shipping fee. It's going to be $6. So calculating that, it's around 42, I would say. But we'll just sell it for, let's say, $50. And here we go. So as you can see, store price 50. And then all we would need to do is, choose where we want to ship, the shipping method, choose which type of shipping method you want. As you can see, you have US oversized, you have fast ordinary, standard ordinary, whatever you want. It all depends on you. And then just simply click on list now, and your item will be listed onto your Shopify account in just a matter of a few minutes. There you go. Now you can go ahead and go into products over here, and you will find that product listed, as you can see. Then you can go ahead and edit the product out. Like, you can change the name and pricings over here as well. So this is the description. We'll leave it at that. This is the name. So we'll just go with this one, just like that. Pretty simple, nothing too major. And then we'll just simply click on save, and we are good to go. Then you can just simply add some sales channels over here. So the sales channels, as I said before, are over here. As you can see, you can sell it on Facebook or Instagram or Shopify inbox, or you can set it up on Google or buy button as well. It all depends on you. So that's how you use Shopify and how you can use it to add different products over here. Now let's go ahead and move over to Big Cartel. And over here, let's go ahead and add a product over here on Big Cartel. So to add a product, you can go ahead and import products, but you will have to do that manually. You can add many products on offline. So you have to upload products manually. So over here, just simply, let's go ahead and copy the name of this dress and paste it over here. We'll copy the description as well. There we go. And we'll paste it over here. And then we have the category. You can set up category, but it all depends on you. Same price, 50 over here. You can add different, individual options or add groups, and then you can add a shipping method over here. You can choose the country everywhere else, and you can add standalone shipping. It's going to be $7. And then with others, it's going to be $7 as well. And then you just add in your tax information, and then you just simply click on save, and you are good to go. Of course, you have to add images over here, but you can only add one image per item. So I'm just simply gonna copy this image and I'll paste that over there. I'm gonna download the image from Shopify directly, and I'll just upload the product image. There we go. And then you are good to go. Then just simply click on save and you are good to go. Okay, so it didn't upload. Let me just upload it again. There we go. Now we just simply click on save and your product was updated. There you go. So now you have your product ready. You will have your orders over here. As you can see, this is the product, and pretty much that's how it looks like. Then you can go back to your dashboard and you can finish all of these up and you are good to go. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the pros and cons of both of these websites. So over here, as you can see, these are the pros and cons for Shopify and Big Cartel. So for Big Cartel, it's the only platform which allows you to sell freely, and it has a great onboarding process, and it's perfect for selling one-off and individual products. But the con of this is that the website features lacks real depth and quality. Theme designs are poor and often very limited in customization, as you saw earlier when I was uploading the products. And the lowest score for help support. But in Shopify, you can sell across multiple channels such as Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Brilliant inventory system and robust sales features, which I like, and top e-commerce builder for customers. So as you can see, it's one of the best ones out there. But the cons is that transactional fees are applied on all external payment gateways, and switching themes requires reformatting, content. So pretty much that's it. Those were some of the features over here that you saw. These were some of the pros and cons. So in this video, I basically showed you the pricing plans, some of the pros and cons for both of these websites, and how you can use them and add different products to them. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think about these two websites and which one do you think is better. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.